Yes, teacher, start.
So our today's poem is okay, Invictus, William Ernest Henley. Now, before I start with the poem, let us discuss some important points about the poet. William Ernest Henley was one of the great poets, uh, and the importance of this poem in relation with the poet that when poet wrote this poem, he was in a difficult situation as because of amputation, his leg was get cut by the doctor, and when he wrote this poem he was hospitalized on the bed. So there is a lot of connection between the poet and the poem. So let us start with the poem. Out of the night, I'm audible to everyone, and my video is also seen to everyone, I hope. Yes, okay. Out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. In the frail clutch of circumstance, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Under the burgeoning of chance, my head is bloody, but unbowed. Beyond this place of wrath and tears, looms but the horrors of shade, and yet the menace of the years finds and shall find me unafraid. It matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. Okay, so this is the poem. Now we are going to discuss this poem stanza wise. Okay, let us start with the first stanza. Out of the night that covers me, black as pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. Okay, now what poem is discussing? The poet wants to convey with this poem the difficult situations are going to come. They are okay. Now I think it is okay. There are many different difficult situations are coming in our life, but we have to overcome with it. With this stanza, poet wants to convey that out of the night that covers me. Now, what is here night? Night is the problems. Okay, night is compared with the problem. Here we can get the metaphor. Okay, because there is a comparison between the thing. So out of the night that covers me, there are lots of problems are covering to me, and these problems are black as pit from pole to pole. Now what is pit? It is a large deep hole in the ground. Okay, so this problem is so dark, is so black that nothing has been seen from pole to pole, from one pole to another pole. But still what the poet is saying, poet is thanking to the god. Why? Because out of all these problems, out of all the situations, still the soul of the poet is unconquerable. It cannot be conquered by any kind of afraid or any kind of any other thing. Okay. Okay, in the frail clutch of circumstances, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Under my burgeoning of chance, my head is bloody but unbowed. Teacher, Rajesh teacher, I'll come within 2 minutes. I think something wrong to
Yes,
happen
yes.
with my PPT.
Okay, okay.
Let me share my screen. Okay, I think it is now clear. My screen is visible to everyone. Teacher, my screen is visible.
No, teacher. Screen
Uh,
is not visible.
okay.
Vidita Wagmare, close that video.
Now it is visible, I think.
Yes, yes. Now it is. Now only that white board is seen.
Okay, okay.
Yes, it is visible now.
Okay, now the second stanza. In the fair fletch of circumstances, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Under burgeoning of chance, my head is bloody but unbowed. Okay, now what the poet is saying. Now I feel I am in a trap of the circumstances. Okay, it catch me very badly, but still I not winced. Now, what do you mean by winced? Wince, it is a cry. It is a cry out of pain. But even though I am in a very difficult situation, the circumstances have catch me very badly. Still, I'm not winced and not cried aloud. I'm not complaining against the problem under the burgeoning of chance. Now, what is burgeoning means? It is a violin beating with a club. Now you can see this can be used to beat someone. So the chance is beating on the head of the poet, and because of that, the head of the poet is bloody. It is become totally bloody. But still, what is the situation? The poet is not bowing his head against the problems, against the difficult situation. He is still standing, make his head held high. Okay, now the next, beyond this place of wrath and tears, looms but the horror of shade, and ye the menace of years finds and shall find me unafraid. Now, what the poet further saying? This place of wrath. Okay, now what is wrath? Wrath is anger. Okay, there is a lots of anger, there's a lots of fear in the in this place where we are living now. This material world, this material world has a lots of problems, lots of anger, lots of tears. Okay, you can see the picture of wrath and tears. Okay, now looms the bird, the horror of shade. Now what happened? The shade, horror of shade, the problem, the difficult situation, or we can say horror of shade here, the death time. Now he is near to death. As we already discussed, the poet is suffering from the tuberculosis, and he has to cut his leg because of the problem. But still he was near to the death, but still he fought the situation, and yet the menace of the years find and shall find me unafraid. Now what is the menace? Menace the threat. Now the threat of the years, the problems, the situation which are coming in the life of the poet from all these years, they are not able to afraid the poet. Okay, now the next stanza. I hope all of you understood this much. It matters not how treat the gate, how charge which punishment is cruel. I'm the master of my fate and the captain of my soul. Okay, now what is the situation? You can see the gate. Okay, this is the gate. If you are able to see, this gate is very straight, it is very narrow, but but still what the poet is saying, if it is the narrow gate, then also there is no problem. uh, I do not afraid of the punishment of the scroll. Now what do you mean by scroll? It is a roll of paper on which something is written. Okay, so when there is a time of the death, everyone get some list of the punishment which has been given to the person because of their work. So what is saying? Whatever the punishment I'm going to get, I'm not worrying about that, because whatever the punishment I'll get, that is the result of my work. Whatever I have done, according to that only I'm getting the punishment. So there is no issue with that, because I am the master of my soul. Whatever has been done, whatever I'm getting, that is the result of my thing. So I am taking the responsibility of that. I do not afraid of that. And I am the master of my fate. Not only this, whatever the action, whatever the action I have done, and that is the result of my own feeling, whatever I'm getting now. So I do not afraid of all these things. I do not worry because of that. Okay, so all of you understood this much, I hope. So from this poem, we understand the poet is talking about a positivity in the mind of the people. What he says, that if a person has a positivity in his or her mind, so nothing can be stop anyone. Faizan, wait, I'll give time to answer or ask your doubt. Let me complete my things first. So, positivity is very important. Positivity is very important, because if we are positive with something, so it is not difficult to get out of that situation, because positivity plays a very important role in our life. Okay, positivity gives a determination to fight with the situation, and because of this determination, uh, a person get the strength. From this poem, we are able to see that how the poet gets strength because of its positivity. He was in a very difficult situation. He was at the door of the death, but still he is not afraid of the situation. He is not afraid of anything, and he is trying to overcome with that situation. Not only that, he is fighting with the problems very bravely. Uh, okay. Uh, yes, some students have doubts. Uh,
If you were raising the hand, you can
yes,
query in the chat box.
put your queries better. Okay. Textbook. Okay, you understood the poem, right? Last stanza you want to explain me again. Okay, what the poet is saying in the last stanza, I'll revise everything. So you will understand, but I will revise in a very short manner. Uh, Now, in first stanza, what poet is talking about? The poet is talking about there is a lots of problem in my life, but still, I do not get afraid of the problem, and nobody can conquer me. Okay, uh, and at the same time, saying that he is saying that there is a lots of problem, and this problem are as black as the pit. Okay, now you know that pit. What is pit? It is a hole. Okay, we already discussed that. So, out of all this situation, the poet's soul is not conquered by problems. He's not afraid of the problems. Now, in the second stanza, what we discussed that circumstances means chance, okay, or the situations we can say. Yeah, circumstances is the situations had clutch, okay, hold we can say, trapped, we get trapped. He trapped to the poet or a person, and but still he's not crying, he's not um, complaining against the thing. Okay, now the problem is hitting on the head of the poet, but the head of the poet is become totally bloody, the blood is coming out of that, but still he is not lowering down his head. Burgeoning Vita already I explained you. All these meanings I have explained you, beta. That flaying touch means wicket trap. Burgeoning in the sense it is a violent beating of with a club. Uh, okay, no problem, Simran. Uh, Now the next third stanza, beyond this place of wrath and tears looms but the horror of shit. And yet the menace of fear finds and shall find me unafraid. Now what the poet is saying, from lots of years, he is suffering from the problem from many years. So what the poet is saying, from many years I'm suffering from the problem, the horror of shade in the sense that death is always hanging on my head, but still these all years cannot able to afraid me, means I'm unafraid. Out of all these years still there are many problems, many difficult situations has came to my life, but still I do not afraid. Okay, now the last sanja, it matters not how straight it, how charged with punishment the scroll. Okay, what is saying that it doesn't matter that how the straight the gate, straight in the sense narrow. The gate is the very narrow, means he get a very small hope of ray of hope, but still he is not afraid. He says it doesn't matter. Okay, what how many punishment are given in the scroll is the piece of paper where the something is written, so there are many punishment has written in the scroll, but I do not afraid of that, because whatever is going to happen with me, whatever punishment I'm going to get, that is the result of my work. So I am taking the responsibility of all these things. So uh, and at the same time, whatever the result I'm getting out of my action, it is my own feeling. Okay, and so I am the captain of my soul, and I am the master of my fate. I hope there is no doubt to anyone now. Everyone understood? Okay, those who have doubt, that those who they also understood. Okay, very good. Okay. Uh, Now we will discuss something very important. For that, first, I want to ask you this: find out which the figure of speech of the first line. What will be the figure of speech in the first line? Out of the night that covers me. I think I have discussed this. Yes, metaphor. Okay. Now, why metaphor? Because there is a comparison of the night with the problem. Yeah, alliteration is also there, beta, but we are not going to take that. That is not. That is secondary figure of speech. We have to take the primary figure of speech first. Okay, figurative languages we are talking about. Now, the next. Um, uh, Now just tell me, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Which figure of speech we will get here in this line? I have not winced nor cried aloud. Yes. I hope all of you know which for personification. Okay. Alliteration. Repetition. How it can be repetition? No. Okay. Just tell me the figure. Explain me the figure of speech personification. The second stanza of the second line. I have not winced and not cried. But the poet is talking about poet is talking about himself only. Wins here it is. I have not wins and nor cried. It is talking about tautology and onomatopoeia. Yes, right. Because there is a why onomatopoeia? Because there is a sound is denoting by the word. That is a crying sound we can get from the word wince and cry. And tautology because the two words came with the same meaning or the similar meaning. Winced means what? To cry aloud or okay. Winced means to cry aloud and cried aloud. Both are showing the similar meaning. So it has tautology. Okay. Okay. Now the next uh, beyond this place of wrath and tear looms but the horror of shade, and yet the menace of fear finds and shall find me unafraid. Okay, just tell me which line has a figure of speech in this stanza. Personification in which line, beta? In which line we get the personification? Third stanza, fourth line. Find and shall find me unafraid. No, beta, it cannot be for personification. Personification means human quality is given to or animate quality is given to inanimate thing. Okay, so it is not personification. Repetition, no, because the first word is the finds and the second is the find. Metaphor. Yes, the looms but the horror of shade. You here you can get metaphor. Uh, as a horror of shade is compared with the death. Very good. The first line is tautology. Yeah, there is alliteration in the last line. Okay. Now my voice is clear to everyone. It's I think it is not breaking. Yes. Wrath and tears. So wrath and tears, tautology. Okay. Now the next, it matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishment the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. Now, which figure of speech we can get among these 4 lines? Just try to find out. Inversion. Very good. In which line? First and second. It matters not how this. Okay. What is the correct line, beta? Yes. What will the correct statement? How charged the school is with the punishment? No, beta. No. Now can punishment charge with the scroll? Yes. It not matters how straight the gate. Very good. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now we have discussed the poem. Now what is the theme we have discussed with the poem? That we should be positive. And we should not get afraid of the situation. Means we all discuss with the thing which we know nothing can be conquered. Okay. So now the name of the poem is Invictus. So we can understand that the poet is talking about the something is inconquerable. That is why the poet gave the name Invictus to the poem. Something which is unconquerable. Okay, Invictus in the sense unconquerable. So the name of the poem is as per the content of the poem. Okay. Now let us discuss the rhyming scheme of the poem. What will be the rhyming scheme of the poem? First stanza, A B A B. Very good. Second stanza. What will be the rhyming scheme of the second stanza? Okay, city city also you can write. You can write A B A B also. When you are writing for the poem, you can write A B C D C D. Otherwise, if you are writing A B, then also it is okay. Now, what is the rhyming scheme of the third stanza? Yes, it is A B. And what is the rhyming scheme of the fourth stanza? It is A B. Okay, very good. Very good, very good. Okay. Now I am going to ask you some questions and you have
Hello, teacher. You got muted.
yeah, because of
Voice
some
is not.
hello. Yes.
Now it's audible.
The question is, out of the night that covers me, Black as speed from pole to pole. Now, I'll give the options. You have to give me the answer. Which one is the correct option? There is a pit between two poles which cannot see at night. Second option, I am in a pit that is covered with the black sheet. Third option, the circumstances are as bad as they can be with nothing to hope from the any corner. Okay, third option. Now, the second, okay, I'll ask one more question. What is the poet thankful for? What is the poet thankful for? What is the poet thankful for? Okay, the poet is thankful for unconquerable soul to the God. Very good. Balaji, then Priya, very good. Omkar, very good. Prajakta. Which lines show that the poet has suffered his which lines show that the poet has suffered his hardship bravely? Which line shows that the poet has suffered his hardship bravely? Yes. Which line shows this? Yes. Very good. I have not winced nor cried aloud. Very good. Okay. Now the next question is, what is meant by the place of wrath and tears? What is meant by the place of wrath and tears? Place of anger and sadness. Very good. Okay, now the next. Okay. Now, why the poet is saying that he is the master of his fate? Why the poet is saying that he is a master of his fate? Why poet is saying that he is a master of his fate? Yes. Yes, he's taking the responsibility of whatever he has happened to his life, and that is why he's saying this is a master of his fate. Okay. Um, what do you mean by my bloody is my head is bloody but unbowed? What do you mean by this line? My head is bloody but unbored. What do you mean by this line? Or what poet convey with this line? My head is bloody but unbored. My head is bloody but unbored. Yes, his head is bloody but unbored. But why his head is bloody? Why his head is he have setbacks and losses for which I don't want that statement from the textbook. I want your own understanding, beta. Why the poet is saying my head is bloody but unbowed. The poet has suffering a lot, but he has not bowed his head. Very good. Um, okay. Um, so now we have completed this poem. Mm. Now just okay. Why the poet is saying that his soul is unconquerable? Why the poet is saying that his soul is unconquerable? Yes, because he has overcome and conquer all the fears. Yes, very good. No one can capture his soul. Very good. Very good, Sada. Very Faizan. No one can win him. Very good. Okay. 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 Why the poet is saying how charged with punishment the scroll? What does it mean? How charged with punishment the scroll? Okay. I have to pay many of my mistake. Very good. Okay. Yes, Alisha, what you want to say? Just put in a chat box. Yes, scroll in the sense, beta, the piece of paper on which something is written. Okay, no worry, Alisha, no problem. Okay, now the next. Can anyone explain me the theme of the poem in short? Which theme the poet is talking about? Positivity, very good. Means we should be positive our life, whatever the situation is coming. Yes, Lavina Jadhav, what happened to you? Just write in chat box. Positivity, yes, very good. Hardship, self-confidence should be there. We should be stay brave. We should be strong. Okay. Okay. Now, what you have to go do? You have to go through the things of the poem. I have to go to the question answer and just find out. Uh, if any difficulties, you can ask me in my next lecture. Okay, in next class we are going to discuss the